model, 60-plate Renault Trafic SL27dCi 115 freeway factory-fitted crew cab long MOT. Body, silver, crew van. Mileage, 251461. MOT, the 24th of October 2025. Engine, 1996 CCM 9R115 HPB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash. Very well maintained vehicle. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.